Guys, we know that visa application center in India are gonna be closed for the month of October. It was earlier announced by the Canadian Embassy in India, and I have already shared the details. But today they have shared something that could be useful in some cases. For example, I have shown you the recent tweet from them where they say Canada visa application centers in India will remain closed for the month of October. We are working to implement a passport submission service. Further instructions will be sent directly to applicants. That means definitely they understand how badly it is impacting a lot of applicants. And when it comes to India, we know how busy visa offices are. There are many visa offices are in India, and all of them most of the time remain busy because of too many applicants. And if I'm not wrong, Indian visa application center even address applicants from Nepal also. I'm not sure about it. Maybe they have a VFS there, and could and maybe from Bhutan as well. Whatever, but we know the population of India, and we know the number of people that apply for Canadian applications under various categories. So it will be interested to see. It will be interesting to see how they implement a passport submission service and which people are gonna be invited. But having said that, another question comes for biometric, because these visa application centers just don't collect passport; they collect biometrics as well. So a lot of people, they have their applications stuck in the biometric stage. Some people have taken brave decisions of going to Dubai and get it done. In fact, I have uploaded the stories of the people, those who have done it. But yes, this is not something I recommend, and it varies case by case. Nobody wants to be stranded in a foreign country because the rules are changing every day. But still, there are brave people, those who have done it. So let's see how it works going forward, and it will be really interesting to see how they implement this passport submission service. But whatever, some sense of positivity I do see. That's why I'm sharing this with you guys. Thank you.